Ria is just promoted to Class 10, from Class 9, walks out of her school gate, with a heavy heart. She is very unhappy and sad as she was unable to understand anything in the science class. She reaches home and starts weeping. At home, her parents motivate her and ask her to pay more attention to her science teacher in the school. Ria, however, could not grasp what the experienced teacher taught, and she was very depressed and frustrated. After the school, Ria shares her problem with her friend Vinita, who listens to Ria's problems patiently and smiles at her. She digs out her smartphone hidden inside her school bag and shows her a YouTube channel just launched by an experienced teacher. Ria was mighty thrilled on watching the YouTube science tutorial, which helps her clarify all her doubts that she has. She immediately subscribes to the channel and regularly follows each video every day and revises her subject before going to school every day. Her science teacher in the school is also very happy with her progress. Now comes the time of the midterm examinations, and Ria finds the science paper pretty easy and simple. She confidently attempts every question asked and walks out home, happily, after the examinations. After a few days, her results are declared, and wow, Ria tops the Class 10 science examination and is awarded a certificate of merit by her school principal. Lesson learned. Varsha's tutorials can be an effective way for students to learn and understand various subjects, including science.